With a gross volume of 622 liters, the Samsung RT62K704RWW top-mount freezer refrigerator is an ideal white goods solution for large families. Equipped with Samsung's Twin Cooling Plus technology and SmartThings features, this product stands out with its flexible cooling modes that break traditional refrigerator standards and its long-lasting motor technology. Here are all the features of this product from A to Z. The most distinguishing feature of this refrigerator is the Twin Cooling Plus technology. While traditional refrigerators use a single airflow, this model uses two independent cooling systems for the fridge and freezer compartments. This system provides two major advantages. High humidity rate. It increases the humidity level in the fridge section from the standard 30% to 70%. This ensures that your vegetables and fruits retain their first-day freshness without drying out for a much longer time. Odor prevention. Since the airflow between the freezer and the fridge is cut off, smells from fish or strong-scented foods never permeate the ice or other foods in the freezer. Your frozen foods retain their original flavor. The fridge can be used in 5 different modes, offering flexibility based on your storage needs. For example, you can cancel the freezer section and use only the fridge, turn off the fridge section while on vacation and run only the freezer, or convert the freezer section into a regular fridge to utilize the entire volume as cooling space. The device features built-in Wi-Fi. Through the Samsung SmartThings app, you can remotely manage your refrigerator, receive door open alerts, and most importantly, proactively track and save on power consumption with AI energy mode. Capacity. It has a total volume of 622 liters. Dimensions. Width 836 millimeters, height 1862 millimeters, depth 788 millimeters. Color. It comes in white and features stylish, bar-type door handles. Lighting. The high-efficiency LED lighting located at the top brightly illuminates every corner of the fridge and generates less heat compared to traditional bulbs. Deli tray. It features a special drawer for perishable items or frequently consumed breakfast/deli products. Big guard. The door shelves are deep enough to comfortably fit large milk and juice bottles. At the heart of the refrigerator lies the digital inverter compressor. This motor automatically adjusts its speed across 7 different levels based on cooling demand. This ensures it operates very quietly and provides energy efficiency. Samsung is so confident in the durability of this compressor that it offers a 20-year warranty on the motor. Power cool/power freeze. You can instantly cool your drinks or freeze items with a single touch using the rapid cooling or rapid freezing functions. Movable ice maker. A twisting mechanism is used to make ice. If you need more space in the freezer, this part can be detached and removed. No frost. Prevents frost and ice buildup. In summary, the RT62K704RWW is a technological marvel that preserves food moisture, prevents odor mixing, can be managed via mobile through Wi-Fi, allows you to convert the freezer into a fridge as needed, and offers a large volume with long-lasting durability.